Hello, Steven here. Today I want to introduce a powerful Facebook tool to you called FB Engager. FB Engager allows your customers to create automated interactive poll campaigns that get leads, sales, and buyers on demand 100% free. And this tool is so easy to use, and I'm going to show you how to use it in just 3 simple steps. Now, this is the dashboard for FB Engager. As we can see, it's all about creating poll-like campaign and posting it on Facebook, which has proven over time that people get to engage with such type of post on Facebook. So this is the dashboard where we can see the total votes, the total lead, traffics. This is the graph. So the first thing we need to do is to integrate our Facebook account, which you can do at a click of a button. So just go to settings and click on system settings. So now you need to connect your Facebook account to FB Engager. You can do this at the click of a button. Just click on connect to Facebook. Then the next thing you click on OK. So that's all. You can see automatically the new Facebook account has been added. So now the next thing we need to do is to also integrate our autoresponder to this. So you can log into any of the autoresponder you're using, copy your API key and the token and paste it here, so as to be able to capture our leads and send them directly to our autoresponder. So once we're done with that, the next thing is to start creating campaign. So we go to the create campaign menu. Now it brings us to this page. You can either create a campaign from scratch or you select from templates. You can see we have different templates depending on your area. You can select that. So let's create a campaign. Now we have 2 types of campaign. We have the poll campaign, whereby you can give them 2 options to choose from, or just a rate campaign, whereby they have to rate whatever you're trying to give them, either a yes, thumbs up, or thumbs down. So now let's go with the poll campaign. So let's say I want to create a campaign on weight loss. I can decide to, you type the question here, then the answer, diet or through exercise. You see that? Then the next thing is to upload the image. You can search for image. Now you have access to 20 million images that you can use to create your campaign from Pixabay and Flickr. And you can also decide to upload your image as well. Can you see? You choose file and upload your image. So now diet, search. So I can decide to use any of the image. I want to use this. Can you see? Dieting and exercise. Search for any image for exercise or upload my own image. I click on search. Okay, now this software FB Engager also comes with a powerful image editor, which you can use to edit your image as well. So all you have to do is just to click on edit. You can add text. See? Can you see that? You can decide to click inside this place. Can you see that? So you can use it to edit your image as well. Now you can also change the design of the poll. Now you can also change the background color of the question and also the background color and text color for the answers as well. So you can do that here, the background color. You see that? use red as the background color. You can, okay, we've done that. Then the text color, you can leave it as white. You can decide to change this as well. Background color, you can use yellow. And the text color, you can use white as well. You see that? You can use the preview button to see how your text will look like. Can you see that? So yes, change it back to gray. Okay. So preview. Can you see that? So click on OK, and the next thing is to click on the next button. So once we're done creating and designing our campaign, the next thing is to create a sign up form, which we use to capture leads. So you can either post your HTML code from any of your autoresponder in case the one you're using is not integrated, or just use the one that is integrated. Maybe GetResponse Sendly on ActiveCampaign. Once you're done with that, then you give the headline. So since it's about how to lose weight, can be so then you can also change the text of the button too. So anything you want, download now. Can you see? Once you're done, then we have CTA for answer 1 and CTA for answer 2. CTA, the call to action for answer 1, that is anybody that click on the first answer will receive this offer, while anyone that click on the second answer will receive this offer. So you can give your offer an headline. Since the first one is about dieting, you can say so let's say that's a headline. And the CTA link, the offer, you can put the link here. You see that? Then you can decide the media type. Either you want an image or a YouTube for a video link, anyone you prefer. So if it's a video link, you put it there. And if it's an image, you can use an image as well. Okay. Decide to use this image, then repeat the same process here too. This CTA is for answer 1, 2, which is on exercise. So I can say just put CTA, then the CTA link to the same thing. You put the link there, anything you want to put. Then you can either put image or video as well. So search for exercise. Something, you see that, and the button. So you can access now, put anything there too. So with this, you can use it to sell any affiliate products, e-commerce products, based on the question and based on the answer they chose. So you can see how powerful this software is. So now we click on the submit button once we're done. Then it takes us to the page where we'll publish our poll to Facebook, as you can see. So you need to select where you want to publish to. Just select where I want to publish to. Then the message here. You see that? You can write anything in the message box, and you can select multiple. You can select all to post to your timeline, your fan pages, or just to a particular fan page or profile. So once you're done, you click on post to Facebook. You can see successfully posted to Facebook. Now, once it has been posted to Facebook, we can enable auto reply. This enable auto reply allows us to send automated message to people that comment their choice on the Facebook using the Facebook comments instead of clicking on the link. So how does this work? You have to copy the link to the poll first. You can also share this link maybe on your website or in your email. Just copy the link, click on enable auto reply. Then you can enable auto reply based on their answer, like filter word. Let's say people that enter diets. Type anything there and paste the link. Can you see that? Then add another one to the comments exercise. So on and on and on. You can add as many as possible and click on submit. So you've enabled the auto reply. Now we also have another button here which is view report. This is to view the reports of your polls. As you can see, you'll be able to see the total number of votes, the leads, the Facebook votes, the poll votes, and the percentage to which people prefer any of the option. So with this, you know what your customers want, and you can engage them better and send them offer that's related to that. So now let's check our Facebook to see this post. Okay, so here's the poll campaign on our Facebook page, and it's clickable. So this way you're not losing any of your visitor, because most people want to click on the image. So if they click on the image, they're taken to a site where you can see they're taken to the site where they can actually answer the poll. Why? If they also comment, like the comments diets, they will also get a private message reply taking them to the poll as well to answer it as well. So whichever way, you're capturing your audience and you're engaging them better to know what to sell them, and at the end of the day, you give them an offer based on the answer they choose. So now let's say I decide to go with exercise. Okay, you can see, type your name, you click on download. Now you've been able to capture the email address, and at the same time you have a alpha which you are showing them based on the answer they chose. So they can decide to click on this button, which can link them to the third-party site, to your website, or to your e-com store or affiliate link where you are selling that product.